Baxaar, the master of the river. Along the banks of the rivers in Somalia, there were a secret group known as the Baxaar. They were healers, but not like the ordinary healers who banned the herbs or read the Quran. The Baxaar belonged to the river. They immersed their herbs in the water. Fire was forbidden to them, and their closest companions were not human. They were crocodiles. The river obeyed them. There are known types of Baxaar. The Molgale is the most powerful Baxaar. He enters the river at night and immerses himself with his herbs. The crocodile is his servant. He can command it, call it, or send it away. Dade, the second most important. He is the ferryman, the one who has a boat and takes people across the river. Baxaar Bobto commands bees. He can call them or send them away. Honey is the one of the most important substances used with the herbs. Baxaar Dondere has a jurisdiction over irrigation canals and the herbs growing around them. Yukile, a fisherman who also makes fishing baskets and amulets for good fishing. He fights against the Baxaar from other villages who try to steal the fish. For generations, the people of the rivers lived in a deep fear of the Baxaar. Parents would warn their daughters every single day, do not go near the river. Do not walk by the water at night. The Baxaar will see you. Stories spread from village to village of beautiful young women who caught the eye of the Baxaar. He would send his crocodiles after her. Crocodiles would take her on their backs, carry her through the dark water, and deliver her to him. People whispered that the Baxaar used ancient magic, words, herbs, rituals passed down in secret, and that every living thing in the river answered to their command. But not everyone in the community shared the same fear. Some believed the Baxaar were something else entirely. The crocodiles of a Baxaar did not harm the people of his area. When dangerous foreign crocodiles came into the river, it was the Baxaar and his crocodiles drove them away. He watched over the water, watched over the fish. He watched over the people who lived beside the river and depended on it every day.